Okay, on this one, we're going to look at, again, an area of a regular hexagon. So remember, if it's a regular hexagon, all the sides are the same. So each of these sides are the same. And each of those angles have to be the same. Okay, so a couple things. They tell us that we have a 4-inch side. So that means all of these sides are 4. I am trying to find area, so I know I have to do 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. So I know this perimeter part I can get. I know that there are 6 sides that are 4 long, but the problem is I don't know the apothem. So I'm going to have to make those little triangles on the inside to try to make that happen. So here's my center. There's one of the 6 triangles that I could make in here. Remember, when it's 6-sided, that means I know there are 6 triangles in there. And I need to find the apothem. So I'm going to have to make this side here. This is the apothem here. And if this whole side is 4 down here, then when I drop that apothem, it actually takes it and breaks it into 2 pieces of 2. Okay, also, as we've talked about before, if it is a hexagon, in the center here, we know it's 360 all the way around. So to find the central angle, it's 360 divided by those 6 big triangles, which is 60. So this whole angle here is 60. So when it gets split in half with that apothem, that means both these sides are 30, which means that these triangles are 30, 60, 90. So let's start to get one drawn so we can talk about it. So if I pull one triangle off, 30 and 60 here, this side is 2, and this is the apothem I'm trying to find. Now, if I draw just the generic 30, 60, 90 triangle, so this would be 2x, this is x, and this is x square root of 3. So if I look right here, I can see that the x is going to have to be 2. So when I do this one to go over here, that means it's going to be 2 square root of 3. That's your apothem. So back here, that means I know that what this value is going to be. So let me move this down a little bit just because I'm writing like a 5th grader here. So my area is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. I know the apothem is 2 square root of 3, and the perimeter is 4 times 6. So in this part, I know that that's 24. The 2 square root of 3, and I have the 1/2. The good news is these will cancel. So all I'm really left with in this is 1 times 24, which is going to be 24, and then that square root of 3. So it's going to be 24 square root of 3. So remember, when you're trying to input that up here, that means I'm going to drag a 2 and a 4 in front, and I'm going to drag the 3 underneath. So I'm just taking these actual boxes and I'm dragging them. Okay, so that means that your final area is 24 square root of 3 squared inches.